kwamba hii yote itafaulu.
Moko kuom jopuonje kaunti ya Migori dwaro mondo omi piny owacho obi kod chenro mar jolo som jopuonjre mawuok e kuonde dak manueng'o ji nitiere piny e kaunti ma Migori ma oting'o kar dak ma Oruba, Pandpieria, Pida kod mamoko. Jopuonj ok otelnegi kod Charles Odhiambo Ng'ondo mapuonjo e skund primar ma Migori Muslim wacho ni jopuonjre mathoth mawuok e kuonde dak manueng'o ji nitiere piny ok osebedo kadhi nyime kod somgi tok timo penj mar klas 8.
In KCP, I got 379 and I would like to go to Starega Center. I have been supported by my teachers. Some teachers have been helping me with their money to pay the school fees and providing me with food when I am at school. In any case, I get any good Samaritan to assist me, I would be happy because I'd be able to join Form 1.
I don't have any parent except my grandmother. My mom got lost in 2013 and my grandmother only sells tomatoes in the streets. She can't get school fees for me to go to Mbita High School or Form 1, to join Form 1. I was just asking for help from any foundation to just help me to just join Form 1.
The two are highly in need of assistance because all along their schooling system, assistance they've been getting from the school community, particularly the teachers. Willing Kenyan who would come out to help them would be grateful as a school.